New Jersey, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey. Until 9:30 p.m. 3:31 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of heavy rainfall moving into the region. Rainfall amounts across this area have generally been between 1.5 and 2.5 inches on average. Additional rainfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour are possible. This heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small streams and roadways. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams, and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Here are the current conditions.
And I just got it on my phone. Here's the recon. What the heck? That's not even... Oh, here it is. Yep. Alright, talk to you guys later.